Writing prose with Novelcrafter. Hello, my name is Avon Dean. Before you watch this tutorial, you should first watch the following 3 tutorials. Novelcrafter Codex, where you learn how to make a codex. How to make an outline in Novelcrafter, where you learn how to make scene summaries. And Novelcrafter Import Outline, where you learn how to copy scene summaries into the plan. What is a beat? A scene beat is a part of a scene. A single scene contains normally multiple beats. Each beat represents a change in the scene, such as a character making a decision, or a new piece of information being revealed. Beats help create momentum and pacing within a scene. They keep the reader engaged and the story moving forward. Identifying and structuring the beats within a scene is an important part of crafting effective, compelling scenes in a novel. Beats can be as short as a single sentence, or as long as a full paragraph. So in a Novelcrafter, we have a scene summary which we can divide up into a number of parts, called beat summaries. So in the example on the screen, we have one scene summary divided up into 3 beat summaries. Now, each beat summary will produce 200 to 400 words of prose. If we want our scene to be about 800 words, we must divide our scene summary into 3 parts. Okay, let's go to Novelcrafter, and see how this is done in practice. We are inside a browser, inside our Novelcrafter account. On the right-hand side we have an empty text document that we will use as a temporary area. In our Novelcrafter we are working with a novel. We have our codex already filled in. To see how that is done, see link in the comments below. In our snippets, we have synopsis, chapter summaries and scene summaries, for chapter 1. To see how that is done, see link in the comments below. I have taken these scene summaries, and transferred them to plan. I have done that with copy and paste. So I have scene 1.1, scene 1.2 and so on. Each scene summary is about 200 words. And I want to expand it to 800 words of scene prose. Click on this pen icon to go inside the scene. Collapse the sidebar to get more room. Adjust the horizontal settings, to see better. I can see my scene summary here, on the right-hand side. I know that each beat will produce about 200 to 400 words. So if I divide the scene summary in 3 parts, I will produce 3 beats, which together will be about 800 words. This part will be my first beat summary. This part will be my second beat summary. This part will be my third beat summary. Here it says type slash. So I will write slash and then enter. I will put following prompt. Expand the text below. Use all 5 senses. Use only few adjectives and adverbs. Beat, summary. And then I will copy the beat summary and paste it in. Now click on Generate Prose. And here is the text proposal. Now read this text and decide if it is good enough or not. Let's say that it is not good enough, so we will press retry. But before we do that, let's see if there is some part that we think is good, and that we do not want to waste. In that case, copy it and paste it in your text document. Then go back and click on Retry. And we get another suggestion. And let's say that this time we deem this okay. So we click on Apply. Now we can delete the prompt itself. Now I can select some part here. And then click on expand to make that part bigger. And if the suggestion is good, then do not forget to apply. Now I can select some other part here. And then click on rephrase to rephrase it. And if the suggestion is good, then do not forget to apply. We are done with beat 1. Let's now do the same thing for the second beat. So I will write slash and then enter. And now enter my prompt here, as before. Expand the text below. Use all 5 senses. Use only few adjectives and adverbs. Beat, summary. And then I will copy the second beat summary and paste it in. Now click on Generate Prose. And here is the text proposal. Now read this text and decide if it is good enough or not. Let's say that it is good enough, so we press apply. And then we delete the prompt. Let's now do the same thing for the third and final beat summary. So I will write slash and then enter. And now enter my prompt here. Expand the text below. Use all 5 senses. Use only few adjectives and adverbs. Beat, summary. And then I will copy the third beat summary and paste it in. Now click on Generate Prose. And here is the text proposal. Now read this text and decide if it is good enough or not. Let's say that it is good enough. So we press apply. And then we delete the prompt. Now I have my prose text here. Observe the number of words up here. If I want to do any more adjustments, I can take this and cut it out and put it in a text document and change it manually there. I can also mix with parts that I've saved earlier. And when I'm done, I'll cut it out and put it back. And now I am done with scene 1.1. I will go back to the plan and take the next scene, 1.2. And this is the approach you can take to go through all of your scenes. So here is a summary. In order to generate prose, we divide our scene summary in parts, and use each part to generate prose. That's everything for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.